Okay, recording. I had to redo that. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Thursday, July 25th, 2019. And just briefly, I'm going to show you how to add a video to IGTV from your Android tablet. Let's go into that. We're on my main screen here. Let's go into Power Director. And we're going to start again. I had some garbage on my other one. Okay, let's see. It's going to pop up here. And I had a previous project. Yeah, previous project. So let's get out of here. Okay, and we're going to start with a new project. Okay. Okay. We're going to delete. Let's delete project. Delete project, yes. Okay, tap on that. Delete that project. Okay, delete that. We're going to start all over. Okay, now we're going to go. And here, as I was saying, the project aspect ratio to do an IGTV, it needs to be 9 by 16 aspect ratio. You tap that, hit OK. And I've got some videos in here that I'm just going to do. I'm just going to do one quick little thing here. Let's do this this cat here. Download. Okay. It needs to be, and the thing is, you got to remember when you have a small account, it needs to be anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes long, and it's got to be the aspect ratio that I just described. So let's see what we got here. Let's go with this cat here. We're going to add that. Oops, we're going to add that. Oh, I keep hitting the wrong thing. Okay. Let me go back here. Okay. Add that. Okay. That's going to go to my timeline. And let's see how many. Yeah, that's longer than 15 seconds. So this is just going to be a quick video. So I'm not going to add any music or anything to it. I'm just going to do that. Okay, it's giving me all these instructions here. Okay. All right. Okay. No, undo that. Okay. So, okay. Let's just go to next. And okay. Let's go to next. Okay. Export, no, we want to go into save to gallery. I'm going to save to gallery as a, instead of project, we're just going to call it cat. And it's going to save to my gallery. We'll just go cat. And produce. And this shouldn't take very long. And I had things going on this morning earlier. My Wi-Fi wasn't working. My battery was low. So I'm on a full battery right now. I'm going to do another video this morning about IGTV from my laptop because I found something really cool on my laptop, but that's for that video. But as we're going here, yeah, see, my battery was low earlier this morning and it was going at a snail's pace. So I just shut it down, did some running around, let this thing cool off. Uninstalled a screen recorder that I had that was really giving me headaches. It was messing up my whole tablet. So, okay, we got it complete. So we go, okay. All right, cat, complete. Okay, we saved it to gallery. Now let's go to IGTV. First of all, I want to look at, let me make sure, let me get out of this recording. Oh yeah, that's right. No, I need to keep the recording going because, let me go back there. Yeah, because I got to show you how to get it on to Instagram here. Okay, let me go to my gallery and just make sure it appeared in my gallery. I just want to see cat. Okay, come on. Where's cat? Where's cat? Well, okay. I'm gonna, oh, there it is. Okay, there it is, Power Director. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's go to my Instagram. Do it this way. Let's flip it up here. Come on, thing, hurry up. I want to just get this done and over with really quick. Okay, go into Instagram. Okay. Got a full battery. See, if you look there, my battery's full. Okay, trying to do this before all the lunch crowd gets back. I'm in a very busy section here, so let me go. I'll see what I got. See if I got new followers here real quick. Okay, no. Okay. All right, let's go. Oh, yeah, I wanted to go to IGTV. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I wanted to hit the IGTV. Here you go. You hit the IG there. See that plus? Okay, here's how you add it. Okay, now I hit the plus. Okay, now I'm going to look for the cat that I just did. This 31 seconds. Let's just do that. And it's going to prompt you through the thing. Okay, go to next. Okay, go to next. I'm going to let it go all the way through the 31. I'm going to let this bar here go all the way to the full 31 seconds. But we're just going to have this cute little cat here on there for 31 seconds. And I'm going to hit next. Yeah, just do that. Just I really like this little clip here. Okay. Oh, it's looping. Okay. Okay, let's stop it. Let's go to next. Go to next. Oh, there we are. Next. Okay. Okay, now it's processing. Okay. Okay, now it says select. Okay. Title, cat. I'm going to title it cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Description. Okay, we'll find post a preview. Can I post a preview? Well, let me do post a preview. Okay, preview not available. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay. Because if you didn't see that, the reason why I can't do a preview, it's got to be at least a minute long for a preview. I didn't know that. Can I do a description? Fine, I can edit that later. I just want to get it on here. Okay, make visible on Facebook. Okay, it's going to go to my Karl F. Rose YouTube page on Facebook. If you're not subscribed to me, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and check out my YouTube page. And I have all kinds of links, plus I have a YouTube thumbnail group as well. Okay, let's go to post and see how long this is going to take. This shouldn't take very long. Oh, okay, it's uploading. Uploading. Okay. All right. Okay, as you can see, it's uploading. And it had a little message. We'll try again once there's a better connection. Okay, there's the bars going across. Okay, okay. So we're just in the meantime going to watch some of these other ones here. I just want to see the upload, and I just want to see that it completes. Then I'm going to end the video, and then it's going to probably process. But problem is, I've got my screen recorder going at the same time as this upload. So you really, if you're on your tablet, you really don't want to do any really long videos. Got a bigger video, just upload that as a standard video instead, and that would be better. But for IGTV, you can do, it all depends on your internet too. My internet, as you can see, it says here, we'll try again once there's a better connection. It's just because I got a lot of traffic here, and the bar is kind of stopping. Let me see if I can go back to my main page and get out of these other ones here. Okay, there it is. There it jumped again. Okay, I'm just waiting for this bar so I can end the recording and then upload this to YouTube. Okay. let's see. Okay. All right. I'm going to click on this back arrow here and see if it processes even faster or what. Let me do this. Let me get out of here. And then I'm going to re-tap into the IGTV. And, okay. Yeah, okay, there it is. It's showing that something is uploading. The little arrow there on the IGTV. So I'll just heart that just for the heck of it. Okay. Oh yeah, let's look at some things. Okay, it's still uploading. Okay, let me go back to the IGTV part and see. Go back to IGTV and see where. Okay, this is really taking me longer than I had anticipated. Okay. Okay, let's go up here. Okay. Just watch the progress here, this progress bar. I can't get out of here until this uploads. Okay. Okay, it's still there. Okay. Well, you get the idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end the recording. Okay, is it? Okay, no, it's almost done. Okay. Okay. Okay, and it should say we're going to be, okay, uploading. It's still uploading. Okay, let me go. Okay, let me see if that even processed. But if it didn't, you get the idea of what I did. But anyway, that's how you post to IGTV from your app. But my problem is trying to do this as a recording and upload at the same time. It created a problem. It looks like it's doing something. Okay, what is it? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me. All right, well, that's going to be it for now. I'm going to sign out of this recording, then I'm going to upload this to YouTube, and if it didn't record, I will be posting IGTV stuff, but just not from this screen recorder. The problem is I've got too many things going on my app at the same time. So with that said, at least I gave you the idea of how to do it. So I'm going to stop.